Hey everyone, welcome back to Augmented Technologies. I'm Jay, and today we're going to do something really exciting. We're doing an unboxing for the DJI Air S2. I'm sorry, that is 2S. This drone promises to take your aerial photography to the next level. Going any further, let me go ahead and give you a few stats on this. So, it has some really impressive features for the size. So, it has 1 inch sensor camera, intelligent shooting modes, obstacle sensors all around. Without further ado, we will get in right into the unboxing. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open her up. I just went ahead and used this. I think this. No. Well, there's nothing on the sides here. Yeah, I do not have a knife. Let me see if I have one. Or see, maybe one of these will help. Probably should have got a knife. All right, got that side. Let me see about this. All right, there we go. And here we go. Voila. So this is what's in the package. We have some instructions, which are in Chinese, so I guess I can get that a little later. All right, let's go with accessories pack. Okay. All right, so here goes some more instructions. I guess some more information about the Air 2S, the DJI Air 2S. Here goes the propeller blades right here. What do you got? Various cables we'll need. Let me see what else we got. I don't know if these are extra sticks or are they for the controller? And let's see what this is. Oh, and these are the ND filter or the filters. Okay, so that's cool. All right. So that's the accessory pack. Now, here we go. So this case right here, just let me get you in there. It's a, what is it? It's sort of like a rubber type of case. I won't say it's leather, but it's like a rubber type. It's pretty nice. It feels steady, solid. It's a decent looking case. Okay, so that's the front there, for you to put whatever in there. And let me see, we got the zipper here on the side, and there we go. So that's a really compact interesting thing. Let me see. So right now we have the controller. Just want to rip that off there. So we have the controller now. I guess those sticks that were in there, they go in here, so they're not extra. You'll actually need those. Got your record, your gimbal controls, your other buttons. And there you go for your sit on top. Oh, no, wait a minute. So those are extras. So I guess you could put these, that's neat. So put these down, you go ahead, screw these in. So that's okay. They're thinking. Wow, okay. Some people said they do it without these. I don't know. I like using them. Okay, so there we go. So that's the controller. It's plastic. Doesn't feel too cheap or anything. Has rubber. The grips right here are rubber. Rest of it's plastic. It's I don't know. It's pretty decent. Doesn't feel too cheap or anything like that. The next thing we have is these feel like the batteries. I'm pretty sure these are the batteries. So. Oh, okay, so yeah, the batteries, the power, you got the power brick. And in case you're wondering what it looks like, I guess this is to connect to, of course, connect to the batteries. And this is the Fly More pack, so I got one, I got two, and I think the third one is in the DJI already. Nice compact. Let me see if they're. Yeah, so I believe, yeah, so fits like that. All right, so, and then that's the second one. The third one should be on the DJI, the Maverick. And then you have, that's the charging kit right there. Let me see what we have here. Trying not to rip this too much. Damn it. I shall find out what this is, but I believe, of course, this connects here, I believe. Or does this go on here? Nope. You know, I gotta try and find out what this is all about. This one, I'm thinking it fits in there, right? No. You know, let me see what this is about. I'll find out later. And what else do we have? Oh, okay. You know what? Let me see what we got here. So this is for the batteries. Since I have the Fly More pack, of course, that's going to fit there, I believe. So you get the other batteries, you fit there. Now, let me see something here. I am still trying to figure this out because see. I'm thinking this, of course, fits here. So that fits in there. You get your... I will figure out what this is, but that's the batteries. And like I said, the other one's on the DJI. So let's go ahead, put this to the side here. And now, all of that fit in there, if you can see, all of that fit in there, but this right here is it is very compact. As you can see in there, there's a little holder for it, so you should be able to get it in there correctly and in the right way. But this is it. This is, bam, this is what it is, the DJ. And here goes that other battery. So that's the third battery, and then you got these to protect the rotors and everything. So this is it. The DJI Air 2S. Comes with the attached gimbal protector. And let me see if I can get this right. So go ahead, fold this out, fold that out, fold that out, and bam. And there we go. Now this right here, this is pretty nifty. It's pretty. I actually had a Phantom before this, so I'm looking to see how this does. We can see the sensors and the cameras right here. And it has rear mounted sensors, or sensors on the rear mount and the bottom. I'm really looking forward to taking this out and using it. It has a little bit of weight on it. I don't think it'll definitely not be under that weight limit for mini drones or what have you, but I'm planning on using this for commercial use anyway, so that doesn't really matter. So here we go, unboxing of the DJI Air 2S. More to come.